let's start the debate. This debate is to ensure that people in this particular house, they are divided into two teams and they argue for veg and they argue for non-veg. ठीक है, इस वीडियो का पूरा मोटिव यही है. हम रिकॉर्डिंग के बाद चालू होने के बाद एक इंट्रो दे रहा हूँ बेसिकली मैं. द मार्क्स वुड बी गिवन ऑन 4 कैटेगरीज. फर्स्ट कैटेगरी इज कंटेंट और लॉजिक. क्या आपके आर्गुमेंट्स में लॉजिक कितना है? बाद में मैं अपनी कुर्सी भाई बोल लूँ मैं. ठीक है, तो हाँ, कंटेंट प्लस लॉजिक दैट इज प्राइमरी इंपॉर्टेंस. तो मैं 10 की जगह 20 मार्क्स दे रहा हूँ. 20 मार्क्स फॉर कंटेंट एंड लॉजिक. आपको कंटेंट कैसा है, आपका लॉजिक कैसा है. सेकंड इज डिलीवरी. इट कैरीज ओनली 10 मार्क्स बिकॉज पीपल कैन jitter, people can become less confident, but that should not deter the other team to get points. अगर किसी टीम का इंसान कॉन्फिडेंटली बोल रहा है तो उसको एक्स्ट्रा नंबर मिलने चाहिए. ठीक, तो अच्छी बात है ना भाई. आप भी अगर बिल्कुल थरथराते हुए बोल गए लेकिन कॉन्फिडेंटली बोल गए फ्लुएंटली, तो आपको मार्क्स मिलेंगे आपकी टीम को. ठीक, तो मैं थरथराना नहीं देख रहा, मैं आपकी सिर्फ एक कॉन्फिडेंस देखूंगा. कॉन्फिडेंस के नंबर है, डिलीवरी में कॉन्फिडेंस दिखा जा रहा है कि झूठ बोलो लेकिन ऐसी सफेदी से बोलो कि सामने वाले को सफेद ही लगे. ठीक, अब अगला है रिबटल. रिबटल इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, कैरीज 20 मार्क्स. दैट इज काउंटर आर्गुमेंट्स. सामने वाले ने बोला वेज हेल्दी है, तुम बोलो नॉन वेज हेल्दी है वेज से ज्यादा फॉर एक्स वाई जेड रीजंस. ठीक, ये एग्जांपल दे रहा हूँ, कोई कंक्लूजन नहीं दे रहा. ठीक, आपके आर्गुमेंट सामने वाले को चुप करा देते हैं, आप जीत गए, आपको मिल गया 20 नंबर आपकी टीम को. ठीक, सामने वाला चुप हो जाना चाहिए. क्लियर. एंड हर चीज का टाइम लिमिट होगा ऑब्वियसली. उसके बाद डेकोरम. डेकोरम इज जो बता दिया मैंने कि गाली गलौज नहीं करनी है वरना मेरे से खा जाओगे, कोई मतलब नहीं रह जाएगा, आज के बाद किसी डिबेट में नहीं आओगे फिर. ठीक, तो सिंपल बात है कि सामने वाला अपना कलीग ही है एक तरीके से. कल को अगली टीम में, अगले डिबेट में तुम्हारी टीम में आ गया तो क्या बोलोगे कि तूने गाली दी थी ना मुझे पिछली बार, तेरे साथ तो काम ही नहीं करूंगा. ठीक है, हम तो शफल करके बनाते हैं ना रैंडमली. ठीक, तो अब इसमें क्या है कि अब पैटर्न समझते हैं. राउंड 1, राउंड 2, राउंड 3. देयर वुड बी 3 राउंड्स. राउंड 1 में देयर आर 1 पर्सन पर साइड. ठीक, 1 पर्सन ईच साइड. वो आएंगे, पहले 2-2 मिनट अपनी मोनोलॉग देंगे, ऐसा ऐसा वैसा वैसा ये वो. ठीक, और ये राउंड 1 में होंगे कैप्टन सबसे पहले जो आएंगे, क्योंकि इनको कैप्टन बनाएगा. आपकी टीम का पॉइंट प्रेजेंट करने के लिए 2 मिनट तो कैप्टन को मिलेगा ना. कैप्टन को देखते हैं जरा कैसे कितने कॉन्फिडेंट है आपके कैप्टन, वहीं भी पता लग जाएगा. राउंड 1 हम चला गया कैप्टन के लिए. अब जब कैप्टन ने बोल दिया है, दोनों का मोनोलॉग हो गया, एग्जाम्पल वेज पहले जाता है फिर उसके बाद नॉन वेज जाता है. अब अगला राउंड जो है राउंड 2, दैट इज रिबटल. रिबटल में अगर वेज पहले गया है तो पहले नॉन वेज वाला रिबटल देगा कि इन्होंने ये आर्गुमेंट बोले थे, हम इसकी ये बोलते हैं. ठीक, इसमें सारे टीम मेंबर्स नोट्स बनाएंगे जो मोनोलॉग दे रहा है कैप्टन. ठीक है, एग्जाम्पल के लिए दिव्यांश कैप्टन है क्या? नहीं, के चिराग कैप्टन. मान लो चिराग है कैप्टन.
हाँ चिराग है.
ठीक है, चिराग कैप्टन है. चिराग ने बोला 2 मिनट लाइन से लगातार. अब सामने वाली पूरी टीम सुन रही है, पूरी टीम पॉइंटर्स पे नोट्स बना रही है. जिसका दिमाग चले वो वहां पर रिबटल दे दे, हैंड रेस करके. ऑब्वियसली मछली बाजार नहीं बनाना है क्योंकि मछली भी नॉनवेज में आती है, अंडा भी नॉनवेज है, अभी बता दो. ठीक, और वीगनिज्म पे लड़ाई हम कर भी नहीं रहे हैं आज, तो डेयरी प्रोडक्ट्स इंक्लूड कर लो आप वेज. ठीक, अब ये है कि सामने वाली पूरी टीम आपके एक एक चिथड़े उड़ाने को तैयार बैठी है. जो कैप्टन आएंगे आपको वो भी सोचना है. ठीक है, अब यहाँ पर जब रिबटल चल रहा होगा, जब नॉनवेज वाली टीम रिबटल दे रही होगी तब वेज वाली बनाने बैठी नोट्स कि इनके रिबटल का हम कैसे रिबटल देंगे. इसको सर रिबटल बोला जाता है. ठीक, कि इनके रिबटल का क्या रिबटल हो सकता है, हम आंसर भी तो देंगे ना, सामने वाले ने हमें दे रहा है तो हम भी तो बताएं फिर कि हमारे क्या काउंटर. ये हो गया राउंड 2 कंप्लीट. उसके बाद अब आएंगे सामने वाली टीम से 2 लोग और इधर वाली टीम से 2 लोग. वो 11 मेंबर्स वाला मैंने फड्डा खत्म कर दिया, पैटर्न थोड़ा सा चेंज. सामने वाली टीम से 2 लोग आएंगे, इधर वाली टीम से 2 लोग आएंगे. पर टीम 5 मिनट मिलेंगे. ठीक, 5 मिनट्स. और ये पूरा कंक्लूजन देके जाएंगे इनकी तरफ से क्या है. अब आप नेताओं जैसा भाषण दे सकते हो, बिल्कुल सैवेज वकीलों जैसा दे सकते हो, बहुत ही बढ़िया बात है. ठीक है, बहुत अच्छा लगेगा मुझे देख के सबको. वो सभी देख लेंगे, हम सब बैठे हुए हैं कि किसने कितना अच्छा बोला है. ठीक, ये कोई भी दो इंसान हो सकते हैं टीम से, कैप्टन को चूज करने की भी जरूरत नहीं है, लेकिन फाइनल से कैप्टन का ही रहेगा, क्योंकि उसको पता है कि अभी डिस्कशन में अंदर क्या चल रहा था। ठीक, तो कैप्टन ही उठाएगा कि कौन है हमारे यहाँ के दो सबसे बेस्ट लोग जो लास्ट में जा सकते हैं। ठीक, अब उसके बाद ये हो गया लास्ट का 5-5 मिनट वाला, ये हो गया राउंड नंबर 3। तो फिर दे दूंगा मैं कंक्लूजन। ठीक है, क्लियर है, समझ गए सबको, पैटर्न समझ में आ गया अच्छे से। आपको नहीं आया तो आपके कैप्टन को आ गया हो। ठीक, कोई ऐसा इंसान जिसको पूरा पैटर्न समझ में आ गया है वो हैंड कर सकता है।
भैया explain round 2 please, how many people can go?
फॉर रिबटल
Yeah,
एन नंबर
captain too,
सब।
and the last round
लास्ट राउंड में सिर्फ दो,
captain.
नहीं लास्ट राउंड में कैप्टन नहीं जाएगा।
Okay.
तुम्हें जितना बोलना है पहले बोल तो गए तुम, कंक्लूजन क्या दे रहे हो तुम? जो भी बोल के जा रहे हो कैप्टन, वो तो अपना कंक्लूजन ही देके जा रहा है ना एक तरीके से। कैप्टन को जितना ज्ञान है वो उतना देके चला गया। ठीक, अब उसके बाद उसके टीममेट ने जो जो आर्गुमेंट प्रिपेयर करी, कुछ करी, अब मान लो कैप्टन कुछ और अगर पॉइंट लेके आया तो अपने टीममेट को बता दे भाई, वो चुपचाप व्हाट्सएप कर सकता है अगर उसके पास उसका नंबर है। ठीक, नहीं कर सकता तो नहीं करो, सिंपल, हार गई टीम। यहाँ पर हम चालू कर रहे हैं नॉन वेज के पॉइंट्स +5 से और वेज के पॉइंट्स 0 से, फॉर ऑब्वियस रीजंस। ठीक है, तो कैप्टन कौन कौन है?
नहीं,
हमारा तो चिराग है।
non-veg
अंकिशा फॉर नॉन वेज एंड चिराग फॉर वेज।
वेज।
अब मेरे सामने मेरा छोटू टाइमर है, मैं बता दूंगा आपको कब 30 सेकंड बचे कब क्या है। ठीक है, तो हम वो स्क्रीन प्रेजेंट करने वाला कुछ नहीं करते, हम सिंपली क्या है कि आप सब लोग कैमरा ऑन कर लो जितने लोग हैं और बैठ के एंजॉय करो बस। ठीक, बीच में किसी का माइक ऑन हुआ एक वार्निंग मिलेगी, दूसरे में बाहर हो जाओ, सिंपल। तो मेक श्योर कि आपका माइक ऑफ रहे। ठीक है, और एक चीज और, जब रिवर्टल की बारी आएगी, मुझे पता है तुम महाभारत कर दोगे, लेकिन टेक योर टर्न। आई वांट टू से समथिंग, आई वांट, मैं बताऊंगा कौन बोलेगा। ठीक, तुम्हारा कैप्टन भी बता सकता है, पहले वो बताएगा, वो नहीं मैनेज कर पाया तो मैं बता दूंगा। ठीक है, कैप्टन के पास अल्टीमेट राइट है रिवर्टल में, किसको भेजना है आगे, किस रोमारियो शेपर्ड को भेजें कि शिवम दुबे को भेजें, वो आपके ऊपर है। ठीक है, तो आप खुद ही जानते हो कौन ज्यादा बेटर 14 बॉल में 50 रन बना सकता है, 54 बना सकता है। ठीक, तो आर यू गाइस एक्साइटेड?
yes भैया,
कितना, थोड़ा चिल्ला के बता सकते
too much,
बहुत ज्यादा।
बहुत ज्यादा।
हैं। हम ये कुछ नया कर रहे हैं पहली बार, है ना? तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। वी विल स्टार्ट विथ वेज। तो आज हम स्पेशली कान लगा के स्टेज पर बुला के चिराग खत्री को सुन रहे हैं। ठीक है, तो चिराग योर टाइम, आप आज अपना लोहा मनवा सकते हैं। आपका मैं 2 मिनट लगा देता हूँ। हाँ, 3, 2, 1 गो।
A very warm good evening to all. So respected sir and all my ladies and men. So my name is Chirag Khatri and I am from GK Infinity. My topic is to debate vegetarian. So as we know, killing animal for food is cruelty. Why killing animal for food is cruelty? Because it is for taste, not for the protein. Meat industry equal to major cause of climate change also. As we know, so red reverse the time, or you can so red reverse the time, and you all the people say that on Asian time the people are killing an animal as they are eating. Oh, wait, my friend, because this is a main point to for their survive. But on this is the 21st century, we cannot kill animal for our source of eating. This is a I want to say the one main point: fishing for why fishing for me important for the farmer, because it generate the income. Because if we not collect the fishing farmer in the ocean, so it collect the bunch of the fish in the Indian Ocean, so it is hard to travel anywhere. So this is the one point for the fishing farmer. And why India should not ban the animal in and why India should not ban animal in this, because it generate the income from the government. That's the main reason why animals should not, the government should not ban the animal. And vegetarian provide foods like if we can get the proteins, we can make meat, tough proteins, and etc. The many thing for we can get the protein in our vegetarian diet. But on vegetarian diet, so
30 seconds left.
but, so vegetarian is most important. Vegetarian is most important for our living, because because on non-vegetarian there is a type of cancer in the chicken, Canagoris cancer present in the chicken. So many of the we eat the chicken, so in the recent case many of the people go dying or go died and very serious skin problem related. But on the other side vegetarian, there is no related any problem. So
टाइम अप. ठीक है, सामने वाली टीम ने नोट्स बनाए. एक बार ताली बजाओ चिराग के लिए. अपने घर में नहीं बजानी है, अपने घर में नहीं बजानी है, मुझे सुनाई देनी चाहिए. मम्मी पापा बोल रहे रात में 11:30 बजे बच्चा पागल हो गया हमारा, तालियां बजाया जा रहा, पता नहीं क्यों. ठीक है, तो ओके, लेट्स गो फॉर अंतिशा and your time starts now.
So I'm Antasha, representing the non-vegetarian group, and the points I'm going to put out are not just mine. It's a summary of what we decided in a participation in a preparation time. So when you're talking about humans, we evolved. By evolution, we were animals. We evolved like that. By scientifically, we are omnivorous. So there is biologically we need meat. And now there's alternative sources too, but now it's a choice of people what to eat, what to not. And about when it's about non-vegetarian, it's not just limited about food. You can't segregate that, yeah, we are killing animals for food is not justified, but for the medicine and for the other uses, it's justified. How is it justified to killing the other person for a particular thing? So if you're being against non-vegetarian, you can't just segregate it. You can't bring hypocrisy here. Vegetarian, it's a part of a cycle. It's a part of a animal chain, food chain. That's how we are linked to together. You can't just go around and say to omnivorous, which we are too included, say that it is not feasible to cut meat just for the food, but you can use it for the other ways too. That's not how things work. That this is very much a stereotype, and if there's also the geographical regions schemes too, like as the geographical region, they don't have everywhere, there's not food available, not everywhere wheat and everything is grown, so they are by nature linked to eat seafoods. They are by culture, there are places in a culture where we include food or animals as a part of a culture, so that's how the chain is linked. It is a part of a cycle that has been going on, that can be morally wrong for many people's perceptions, but there are many things which are morally wrong for individual. We can't just put a stamp on it saying that yeah, this is wrong and this is right just because we have an opinion on this. If it's legally feasible and allowed to us, we are open to eat it. Emma?
तो वेज वाली टीम ने नोट बनाए. ठीक.
Yes.
अब मैं स्कोर्स बताता हूँ. चिराग का लॉजिक कंटेंट उसमें मिलते हैं 15 नंबर, 15. ठीक. डिलीवरी में मिलते हैं 5 नंबर. ओके. रिबटल अभी हुआ नहीं है, उसको रोक के रखते हैं. डेकोरम तो बना ही हुआ है, उसको लास्ट में दूंगा मैं सबसे ज्यादा. ठीक. तो टोटल 2 में से ही मार्क्स मिले, तो आउट ऑफ 30 द टीम हैज स्कोर्ड 20. क्लियर. अब उसके बाद अंतिशा, यहाँ पर कंटेंट और लॉजिक अगेन 15 नंबर. डिलीवरी में 10 दे रहा हूँ, मच बेटर. ठीक है, तो 25 और 5 पहले से लेके आ रहे हैं. 30 on 30 हो चुका है अब स्कोर. 30 पहले राउंड का दोनों के कैप्टन्स के द्वारा, 30 नॉनवेज का है और 20 वेज का है. लेट्स गो फॉर रिबटल. अब सबसे पहले क्योंकि वेज ने बोला था, तो नॉनवेज टीम अपना हैंड रेज कर सकती है और कैप्टन देख सकती हैं कि किसको भेजना है पहले. बता सकती हैं मुझे फिर. अभी पूरा नॉनवेज का ही रिबटल होगा और लाइन से आप 5 लोग भेजो. चलो 5 भी नहीं, 3 भेज. 3
भाई 4 कर दो प्लीज, पुट इट फॉरवर्ड.
4 हो जाए तो कर लो, जल्दी जल्दी बोले बस.
भैया प्रशांत, संकेत एंड दिव्यांशी, नमन एंड भैया प्लीज पुट इट 5 प्लीज.
इनको तो सुन लो पहले. देखते हैं कैसे बोलते
हाँ, okay.
हैं. Everyone will have 1 minute. सिर्फ 1 मिनट में आपको अपना लॉजिक देना है, जल्दी जल्दी. ठीक, तो सबसे पहले कौन है?
भैया जो सेकंड राउंड वाले होंगे वो थर्ड में रिपीट हो सकते हैं?
इसे तो उठाओ.
Bhaiya, does captain have to choose who's going first? Because I don't know what the point they have written, na.
You can.
I would request them to write in the chat.
Let me make it 2 minutes per person. एक में तो क्या ही सुन.
So I would want Naman to go first. Naman,
can you hear us?
Yes, sir.
3, 2, 1, go.
I will only counter the part that he said it is environmentally, it is harming the non-veg harms. We can use nowadays there is scientific method called regenerative grazing. So by using that, you can have an good environment. The carbon sequestration is conserved. In a study of 2019, we got the point that about 1 to 2 tons of carbons can be conserved just by grazing. So that's the point that we can even in some points in some monocropping it goes better from growing by.
इन्होंने तो 40 सेकंड में निपटा दिया. और कौन है नेक्स्ट?
Bhaiya, Prashant. No, Divyanshi. I would want Divyanshi to go.
3, 2,
I would like to.
go तो बोल.
I would like to. Sorry,
हाँ.
Bhaiya. I would like to counter the argument of cruelty as it is everyone's choice. First of all, and if you are saying non-vegetarians that we should not eat non-veg or we are promoting cruelty, first of all, you should not argue with us because you should not argue with us, but the methods, the people who are doing it, because you can maintain that process, you can actually make that process also clean and you can enhance that process. But if you are talking about us that we are promoting cruelty, we are actually not promoting cruelty. Sometimes it's in our culture, sometimes it's not our choice, sometimes we just grew up with it. Because in many areas, in many houses, in many parts of India or around the world, the baby, when the baby is just growing, they feed the non-veg part. So they don't have the choice that they can eat vegetarian or non-vegetarian. They just are born with it. So if when you grow up, if it is your choice that you would like to eat non-veg or you would not like to eat non-veg, you should not blame the eaters basically, but you should actually go and check the or blame the government or whatever the process is, that they should enhance the process. And there is also many things coming, for example, artificial meat that people are getting to know about, and that people are slowly shifting because it is a habit that we are eating natural meat. But if the artificial meat comes through, then people will also prefer those. It's not like that we are preferring that we should cut the animals only. If we are getting aware about the artificial meat or other resources, that does not mean that we are cutting animals. Then it would also a choice.
Next.
Where can I go? Though I haven't given my name. Can I? No?
Captain second round में नहीं आ सकता. तुम्हें ही तो.
Bhaiya, you said you can't come in last round for conclusion. For rebuttal we can. Then Prashant. I would want Prashant to go.
Hello, Bhaiya, am I audible?
3, 2, 1. Go.
So I would like to counter the point which Chirag said that vegetarian food are more rich in proteins and other sources. That's totally wrong. If we even talk about the basic thing that is pulse, one bowl of pulse only contain amount of 5 to 7 grams of protein, and as a average human beings need 100 to 150 grams of protein per day for their requirement. And there are some also proteins which are only present in meat and meat-based product only, not in plant-based product. For example, this B12 protein, which is great for our brain, and it is mostly present in meat products only. And if it's present in plant-based products also, it's hard for us to digest and consume or extract from it. But it is much easier when we consume it from meat products. And there are other proteins and sources like omegas and all, which is mostly found in fishes. So I would like to just say this only that there's number of things which is only present in meat, but there is no such proteins or anything else which is present only in plant but not in meat products. So that's the first counterpoint. And the second, which is that cruelty wala things. Actually, some people do have choice of choosing veg and non-veg, but some people do not. As we talk about this geographical reasons, few places like Dubai and all, these are desert area. They can't just be dependent on farming. They are somehow dependent only in seafoods and meat only. They can't grow wheat and rice and choose veg over there. So it is just the natural phenomena. It's we are in that way. It's basically the food chain which allow us to choose, and we are in human beings which mostly have the choice to whether have non-veg or veg. But some people do not have. So we are related to both of it. But just saying cruelty is killing animals and that, but there are also ethical way, proper way.
Time up. We have choice to choose veg and non-veg, but some people नहीं, some species.
वो थोड़ा
People
पैनिक हो
ही
गया था
है।
भैया, सॉरी।
भाई हमें लगा नहीं तू पैनिक हुआ है, किसी को नहीं समझ में आया ये पैनिक हुआ है ना। एक बार इसके लिए और इससे पहले जो सब थे उनके लिए तालियां बजा दो। अच्छा रिवर्टल चल रहा है। मुझे तो 1% नहीं लगा कि इसमें से जो अभी तक 3 आए कोई पैनिक हुआ है, सभी अच्छा बोल रहे हैं। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट
संकेत।
Namaste.
3, 2, 1 go.
So, Mr. Chirag said that we about cruelty part that we people, we non-veg eaters, suffer those animals more. But we can also say that those people who are vegetarian, who consume dairy products such as milk and other dairy products, they keep their cows, calves, and away from them, and don't let him drink, and they just don't able to get the nutrients which were required to get in help in growth of that calf. Also, we non-veg eaters suffer the pain of animal quickly just by ending its life, and we will not suffer the animal more and more like vegetarians do to cows and other animals which they graze and they keep for their own purpose. We just end animals suffering moment in one time, and they just continue it and make the animal suffer more. Also, these people use in many types of pesticides which can harm crops in their field, and they will also consume those crops after they will consume those crops which are infested with those those pesticides which can harm them later. Also, there are many geographical factors which my colleague said earlier that
टाइम अप। तुम नॉनवेज भी खाने की बात कर रहे हो या कार्निवोरस बनने की बात कर रहे हो भाई? प्लांट ही मत खाओ, उसमें फर्टिलाइजर होता है, ये होता है, मना ही करते हैं, हम क्या खाएंगे फिर? लास्ट में तो तुम अलग ही चले गए कि उसमें ये होता है वो होता है, तो हम क्या खाना छोड़ दें? तुम्हें ये बताना है कि नॉनवेज भी खा सकते हैं, ठीक है? तो हाँ, कितने हुए? 3 लोग हुए हैं, 4 हुए? 4 हुए ना?
भैया can I go to? Can 5th person go to?
कर दो 5th।
Okay.
सुनने में तो सबको मजा आता है ना?
Okay, so I would pinpoint, or not whole monologue he said, but yeah, every point of it. First, he said about food. who are we to segregate that? Yeah, we can use it not for food, but medicine we can. For fun accessories, we can. There's not, I'm not, generalizing everyone, but 90% of vegetarian do own a leather belt. I don't think so. There's a person who doesn't have a leather belt, including me. Everyone has that. And then again, saying that fishing is important because it's about income. Then how a person, like, there's a planet which belongs to everyone, including humans, plants, and animals. And then we are using plants for like whatever we want, and then not using animals just because we can see their feelings. Then saying that, yeah, we can use them for food, not for food, but others saying medicine, and yeah, for our benefit we can. So if there's someone who is banning the use of animals, then it should be overall, not just the place where it's about food. When it's about health, it's also mental health is also included. If someone's cope up mechanism is food, and that their favorite food is a meat, you can't say that you can't consume meat if they're feeling mentally fit. Mental fitness is also a fitness included then. So you can't just say because we need to be physically fit, we can consume it, but yeah, mentally we can't. Mentally, and if there's money thing, we can't use that. There's everyone's right. It's about opinion. If they want to use, they can use, and if they don't want to, and then they shouldn't at every cost. Not just segregating that, yeah, at this place we can just because it's giving us income, medicine, and whatever. Meanwhile, the other places we can't because at those places it's just giving food. And as Sanket previously said, there's animal cruelty. You are literally snatching a food of a calf and drinking and consuming it on every festival. Then you don't think about this animal cruelty. Then this concept doesn't exist at that place. If there's a chicken, that's the misery is ended at a single. Okay.
वेजिटेरियंस, कुछ तो मेरी लाज रख लो, कुछ तो बोलो, इतना सुना गए वो। कैप्टन कहाँ गए तुम्हारे? हाँ भाई, हैंड रेस
दिव्यांश,
फर्स्ट पॉइंट।
दिव्यांश, अनुष्का, रोशनी, 5 जन भी ना भैया? दिव्यांश, अनुष्का, रोशनी, एक मैं हूँ, आ सकता ना मैं? एंड वंसिया।
लेटर एलिगेटर को नहीं भेजो?
वो उसको लास्ट में,
वो लास्ट राउंड,
वो मेन पॉइंट है हम लोग का।
ठीक, पहले कौन आ रहा है?
मैं
3, 2, 1, go.
Good evening, everyone. I would like to counter the arguments cumulatively from the whole non-veg party team, and that follows like one of the team members said that we people have own a leather belt, so we can shift to plant-based leather also. No, there are alternatives for everything. We don't need to go for always leather of an animal only. We can shift to plant leather, and similarly, also plant alternatives are there. If you are targeting our dairy products, if you will change, we are also ready to change. We will also switch to plant-based dairy products. We have no issue with that. Also, one of you said that we use pesticides in our crop production that will harm us initially only. But have you learned of the process of biomagnification of class 10th NCRT? That states that the chemicals increase in the body who consumes it. So we are the humans as the end product user. When we will consume meat, we will consume the highest level of pesticides in our body. But if we consume our products like such as crops only, we will consume less of it instead of consuming more of it. Also, the point of protein, I am myself from a food producing factory. We know the process of biofortification, in which we add nutrients and minerals, important ones like folic acid, B12, iron, into food products. We restructure the food ourselves into machines, and then we can add nutrients to it. We don't need to have meat only to consume our nutrients and protein needs all the time. We can shift to more better processes that are available as an alternatives. Also, another example is that domination of a species. You are saying that we consume people as for our choice meat, but what if another species arises that dominate us and say that we have two alternatives? One, we can eat our simple foods, and one is like we can eat humans. So what would you like to have them? Another food, right? You would not sacrifice yourself. So why sacrifice animal? Think from an animal perspective also.
Next.
अनुष्का, आप जाइए।
Okay, so I'll start by saying that one boy said that we don't get enough protein from the vegetarian meal. That's not the thing. We don't get B12 vitamin from vegetarian milk. It's not that. We get we get same amount. We cannot say that same amount, but a little less. But we get protein. We can take lentils. It's not just about that. We can take lentils. There's soya and all. We can take that. And as he said about B12 vitamin, we can take milk. And as he said that milk is not easy, he said that B12 is not easy to get digested. It's not that. Milk, babies are born and they are just fed on milk. So you cannot say that B12 is not easy to digest. And then after that, omega-3, there are chia seeds and flax seeds, walnuts. They can easily get digested. So I just want to say that, and on the cruelty, if you will see, if you will go to the slaughterhouses and if you will see them slaughtering in front of you, your mental health will blow. If you are just talking about your mental health by eating a animal, it's just about you. Why aren't you just thinking with others' perspective? If your hand is being cut from here, just because other want to eat it, will you not feel pain? It is painful, just equivalent. Just because they cannot speak, you cannot say that it's my mental health and I have to eat it, so I'll just eat it for my mental health sake. You just don't, you are just being very selfish over here. And in our Sanskriti,
संस्कृति बाद में.
excuse me sir.
हाँ दिशा, अब तुम्हारा नंबर है क्या?
Sir, I want to add on.
कैप्टन से बोल, तुम जा सकते हो.
नहीं, आप बीच में कुछ टिप्पणी देना चाहोगे जो आपने पिन करा था?
हर्षित ठाकुर, ये इसके बीच में वीडियो कॉल चल रहा है तुम्हारा? ये क्या था? माइक ऑफ है.
सॉरी सर, पर हुआ क्या? कुछ वीडियो कॉल तो नहीं किया मैं.
फोन चला रहे थे यार.
अरे सर वो मैसेज था. सॉरी सर.
ठीक है. चलो तो चिराग भाई, दिशा को भेजना है क्या?
Yes, Disha, carry on.
Start.
So as Prashant said that protein, he only emphasized on proteins and omegas, but there are many more minerals which are important for our body to work, like iron, magnesium, calcium, potassium. Magnesium is important for our muscles, our nerves, and energy production, which cannot be fulfilled by meat, or you can say non-vegetarian diet. Its sources are nuts, seeds, whole grains, and leafy vegetables. So it can only be fulfilled by the vegetarian diet. Also, iron, hen meat, which is a great source of iron, but it is like a red meat which causes diseases like cancer. So it is not beneficial for our body. So in plant-based diet, spinach, methi, and lentils, and some whole grains are also are the source of iron. So vegetarian diet is more beneficial for our body from a health perspective, also environmental perspective.
Next.
रोशनी, आप जाना चाहती हो?
Okay, if you give me permission.
दे दी उसने.
So can I start?
Yes, start.
Hello everyone, myself Roshni Raj, and I'm from vegetarian side. First of all, you said about choice. So is your choice is more important than someone's life? And second thing about culture. So we all have a few old cultures like sati pratha and all that. So should we proceed them also? And here you said about geographical reasons. So we live in India, and we have a choice we have a choice to make a decision if we want veg or non-veg. And third is you said about like you said about I'm nervous sir, sorry.
टेक योर टाइम. बहुत टाइम है तुम्हारे पास, अभी 1 मिनट भी नहीं हुआ.
Yes sir, and you said like sir I need 1 second.
इम्पैक्ट प्लेयर की जरूरत पड़ सकती है आपको अगर आप चाहें तो.
May I take over?
Yes sir.
करना है इम्पैक्ट.
Yes sir.
किसको देना है
Chirag?
तुम ही बताओ.
Yeah, are you there?
Divyansh.
दिव्यांश नहीं आ सकता.
अरे मैं रेडी हूँ आने की.
I'm ready as well. Like,
तुम्हारे रेडी होने से क्या है.
Then
मेरे
I
ऊपर है ना.
take
सिया
someone
को
from
कंटिन्यू
first.
करवा. सिया को आगे बोल सकते हो.
Yes sir.
ये आप जानना चाहते हो?
yes, I'm ready.
सिया को भी 2 मिनट मिलेंगे. 3 2 1 गो.
Okay, so I'm from vegetarian side, and I would like to support Anushka's argument, my teammate. So as she said that we can get vitamin B12, omega-3, and all from we can have supplement pills like algae oil, and there are many more supplements. There are many more sources for these. For geography, as people are saying ki geography matters, like they don't have much vegetarian options in some areas like Dubai. They can export things. They can try if they want to, if you want to shift to any ideology, you can try. You can if you want any change, you need to get it done. You need to try for it. Also, I would like to say, if it's in culture, people are saying that it is in their culture that they are eating non-veg there since birth. So I've seen many people around world that people change themselves. I have my 2 3 friends who were so much like into non-veg, but they have transformed themselves to being veg. And also they say that it there are some changes in their mentality, and like it's if you are cutting, if you are having a look, like personally I've been vegetarian throughout my life. So I've been looking like it's like so much it sorry, it impacts mental health a lot when you are eating non-veg. Like the way of eating, it's not like you should it's like, I'm sorry.
Can I?
Yeah.
तो टाइम हो गया. हो गए 2.
Okay sir.
कितने लोग हुए थे तुम्हारे?
Thank you
3.
so much.
4.
ये दोनों को जोड़ दिया क्या? ये एक ही मानेंगे?
एक ही मानोगे?
हाँ
हमें
मतलब
आना
ये रोशनी और सिया एक ही माना जाएगा. तो कितने बचे हैं?
जाएगा
एक ही
लास्ट
बचे?
हम ही हम आएंगे ना.
Can I go next?
देख लो भाई.
Wait, I-
भाई
सर मैं स्टार्ट.
कौन बोल रहा था? कैन आई गो नेक्स्ट?
चिराग भाई वसुंधरा को जानने दो.
तुम्हारी वसु को नहीं जानते हो तुम?
इसको थर्ड राउंड में बस.
थर्ड राउंड में वसु लंगोटे यार चिराग की. तो
नहीं, उसका वो थोड़ा वसुंधरा तो लंबा नाम है ना, तो वसु शॉर्ट फॉर्म अच्छा लगता है.
कंसेंट ली तुमने उसकी पहले?
अरे नहीं,
वो
वो
तो बना पहले उसे.
ऑटोमेटिक मुंह से निकल जाता है ना. एंड ऐसे इंटेंशन नहीं है कि वसुंधरा के
कल को दिव्यू प्रज्ञू अनन्यू ये कर दोगे.
ये ऐसी बुलाते. ये ऐसी बुलाते.
Bhaiya, I think it's better than ruining my name. Let him call me Vasu only.
Bhaiya, he calls me auntie. He calls me auntie and auntie.
He calls GK exiler. Exiler हो गया.
Bhaiya, on the conclusion, we don't have to counter attack. So if there is a point that I
Conclusion
can
में
counter
आपके
attack.
फाइनल दोनों लोग मिलके जवाब दे सकते हैं. पूरा 5 मिनट सुनेंगे.
Oh, अच्छा, it's like over open debate.
काउंटर भी कर सकते हो, कंक्लूजन भी दे सकते हो, जो देना हो. तो अभी पहले लेट्स स्टार्ट विद चिराग. 3 2 1 गो.
So I want to counter argument what Mr. Sanket said. Mr. Sanket said dairy product is counting to non-veg product. First of all, dairy product is not counted to non-veg product. And Mr. Sanket said that some people are poor that when the calf born, they separate the calf from the mother. So wait, Mr. Sanket. they do not separate the calf from the mother. The calf taken, they do not separate calf from the mother. The calf will drink the mother cow milk, his mother milk. It's just for half or 1 liter. If the calf drink more than half or 1 liter, so the calf stomach will fail, and he or she will die just in 1 or 2 weeks. And what Mr. Sanket is saying, then dairy product is non-veg. Wait, since Mr. Sanket, first reason, the dairy product is non-veg. First, if we if the cow milk we do not take regularly, the cow milk are bloom. Bloom means fool jana. If you don't know the basic English, I so the cow boobs is bloom, and with this type of bloom, the cow will dead within 1 to 2 weeks. That's why it is basic need. The calf and the cow still live, and that's in India and many other countries of world. The cow boobs milk are regularly generating in our homes, and we are consuming tea, milk, etc. So this is my short counter argument to Mr. Sanket words that dairy product is not non-veg, it is a veg for consuming for us. Because if dairy product is not there, we cannot eat paneer, dahi, makhan, butter, anything. We can't live without our basic need for our dairy products. So this is my short argument to represent to you all, my ladies, sweet and gentlemen, and Mr. Sanket. So
ये कुछ पर्सनल लग रहा है मुझे.
But yeah, first of all, I'm not trying to counter argue. What I'm trying to tell is, Sanket never said that dairy products are non-veg. He just said that they equally have equal cruelty as is of non-veg. He never said that there is like dairy products is equal to non-veg. I'm not trying to defend him. I'm just correcting a point here.
आप 2 मिनट चुप रहिए. Let's talk to Sanket.
I don't know what.
क्या हुआ ये? क्या बोला वो?
I can't even comprehend whatever he said, but I never said that. I never claimed that dairy food are non-vegetarian. I compared the cruelty level. I compared the cruelty level. Didn't say that dairy products are non-vegetarian.
I answer your cruelty level. Why the calf are separate to their mothers?
I also have argument for that. Wait,
मैं मार्क्स बता देता हूँ इस राउंड के. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले फॉर कंटेंट एंड लॉजिक टीम वेज you get out of 20 again 15. ठीक है, तो R2 में आपको 15 मिला. देन डिलीवरी बहुत लोगों की बहुत अच्छी थी. इट वाज वेरी नाइस. इट इज 10 on 10 फॉर वेज. देन रिबटल 15. डेकोरम तो लास्ट में. ओके, देन आपका हो चुका है 40 यहाँ एंड 20 वहाँ, 60. टोटल अभी यू आर द वेज टीम इज ऑन 60. क्लियर? नाउ द नॉन वेज टीम फॉर कंटेंट एंड लॉजिक 20 on 20. For delivery 10 on 10. And for rebuttal 10 out of 20. So 20, 10 and 10. 40, there 30, 70. आप सिर्फ 10 नंबर से आगे हैं फिलहाल नॉन वेज वाले लोग. मैं बताऊंगा क्या दिक्कत है लास्ट में. ठीक है, लिखे हुए हैं मैं 4-5 पॉइंट्स. आपको सभी को अपना अपना फीडबैक लेके ही जाना है इधर. ठीक है, अब 2 लोग आएंगे फ्रॉम द वेज साइड, क्योंकि आपने स्टार्ट किया था, आप ही अब खत्म करेंगे. फिर
लेट एलिगेटर, आर यू देयर?
हाँ हूँ.
तो एक आप हैं और एक और कौन है?
तान्या, आप हो क्या? तान्या आप?
हाँ यस यस.
कैमरा ऑन करना पड़ेगा.
भाई कैमरा सर मैं एक बार बोल सकती हूँ?
स्वानंदी, कैन यू टर्न ऑन योर कैमरा?
भैया मेरा फोन मर जाएगा. मैंने अभी पता है गीला कपड़ा कर रखा है, उस पे फोन रखा हुआ है.
चार्जर
नहीं, हीट होगा ना भैया, इसलिए तो दिक्कत है.
टीम मर जाएगी, क्या कर सकते. चलो फिर बिना कैमरे की चालू करते हैं, हमें तो सुनने से मतलब है सबको, ठीक है, इसमें तो क्या ही कोई नोट्स में से चीटिंग करेगा, ठीक है। So let's start with Team Veg. Your timer is for 5 minutes. 3, 2, 1, go.
Shall I speak then? पहली बात तो I and my team do not overlook the importance of meat, but as beings of higher consciousness, literal childs of God, I believe we have higher obligations to fulfill and to take care of other beings as well. For people who say halal meat is okay, it is not. Do you believe ending someone's suffering instantly gives you enough power to go away with the guilt of killing an animal who could not speak? We are omnivorous. Okay, we are. That means we can also eat veg. Pandas were meant to eat non-veg. They live on bamboo. They were meant to eat non-veg. They will live on bamboo, which means we have hopes for us to turn vegetarian. Medicine is a necessity, a requirement, a need to be fulfilled where a life can be saved. No one is being saved if you like. Imagine how stupid you would sound if you say that to someone. Imagine saying that he has a moral of eating as a coping mechanism. Thank you. Go to a doctor, have a therapy. That's a eating disorder. It has nothing to do with animal cruelty. Let's talk about animal cruelties as some mentions. You say, let me give you an option. Let go of your hair right now or be killed instantly. Which one sounds better? Many of us would let go of our hair, right? A cow is okay letting her milk go away rather than being slaughtered mercilessly. Let's look at the definition of both. Who is a murderer? Murderer is someone who brutally kills a being. Who is a butcher? Butcher is someone who indiscriminately or brutally kills someone. It takes around 2 acres to raise a cow. In same 1 acre, I can produce 2 acre, I can produce 2,000 to 8,000 kgs of wheat. There are around 800 million people who have no food. A cow will feed 1.6 people an approx for 1 year. I can feed around 800 to 700 people with 8,000 kgs of wheat. You have to choose wisely. You have to choose correctly what is the need, what is not. A mango tree will give you fruits for 7 years. An animal will be killed instantly and provides no food, no advantage further. It depends on us humans to choose wisely. We are someone who provide matsya. We are not someone who would kill because we are a bigger fish. We are someone who believe in social justice. That's why people who are weaker in economics survive same as us. We give them voting rights. It is our duty to protect the weaker ones, the ones who cannot speak. People, as studies shown, see that killing an animal provides more shock to a person than slicing potato into cubes. How does that happen?
उसको भी बोलना
Oh,
है।
sorry. बोल।
तान्या वर्मा, टाइम जा रहा है, जल्दी।
I would like to start with an environmental angle. Meat production contributes heavily to greenhouse gas emissions, especially methane from cattle. Experts say that switching to a vegetarian diet can cut your food-related carbon footprint by near 50%. That's more than the impact of giving up your car. Secondly, let's talk about what's closest to our health. Science is clear. Plant-based diets are associated with lower risk of heart disease, diabetes, obesity, and certain cancers. A well-planned vegetarian diet offers everything that body needs: protein from lentils and beans, iron from spinach, calcium from dairy and tofu, and good fats from nuts and seeds. And this is not just theory. Icons of strength and stamina like Virat Kohli, Venus Williams, and Lewis Hamilton have embraced plants-based diets without compromising performance. Let us consider something very practical: digestion. Vegetarian foods, especially those rich in fiber like fruits, vegetable, whole grains, and legumes, are much easier to digest compared to meat. They promote gut health, regulate bowel movements, and reduce the risk of issues like constipation, acidity, and bloating. Mahatma Gandhi once said, "The greatness of a nation can be judged by the way animals are treated." Vegetarianism then become not just a food habit but an ethical choice, a moral stand. People often
Well,
assume.
finally concluding line, both of you. तुम एक लाइन बोलो, वो एक लाइन बोलेगी. जल्दी.
Acha, okay. It is a deliberate, thoughtful, hopeful choice, a kinder world and a greener planet. Thank you.
When Afghanistan was in food crisis, we supplied them wheat, not meat. There's a difference in how many people we can feed with vegetarian food, how well we can grow it, how well we can protect our planet. We have higher obligations to fulfill. As a human being, you must think of it. A mango tree will provide more fruits in 7 years than killing an animal instantly.
Okay. Thank you so much. ताली बजा दो एक बार दोनों के लिए.
Swananda sounds like S.J. Shankar.
मुझे तो मजा आया. तो आया हूँ अब वो किसी भी
सही मजा है.
है ना. तो नॉन वेज से कौन आ रहा है?
भैया किसको भेज सकते हैं? Whom we can just send.
तुम्हारे अलावा कोई भी. नॉनवेज की टीम वाले एक बार हाथ उठा दे जो जाना चाहता है. People who are willing to make sure you give the other partner speaking space as well. Other partner can give up as well. कि इन्हीं को बोलने तो हम तो ठीक है.
भैया, as an impact player, I can put someone. As an impact player at the last. भैया please.
No.
दो तो लोग आएंगे उसमें क्या इम्पैक्ट?
तो फाइनली तो है इसमें इम्पैक्ट क्या डालना. हमने तो देख ही लिया ना कौन अच्छा बोल रहा था. उन्हीं को भेजो या फिर कोई दूसरा ऐसा है जो एकदम आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स आ जाए उसको भेज दो.
भैया हाथ ही उसने उठाया जो बोल चुका है. अनन्या, दिव्यांशी एंड नमन.
पुराने खिलाड़ी भेज दें. ठीक. नमन और दिव्यांशी आपका कैमरा. ठीक. So your time starts now.
I agree, me and my team agree with both the ladies that have said everything that they want, that compassion, sustainability, nutrition, morality. We agree with everything, but we just don't agree with one thing. Why the hypocrisy? If the animals are getting slaughtered in the slaughterhouse, then at the same time, the cows are also being, affected from cruelty. There are certain people that follow slaughter practices. There are certain people that raise the cows perfectly with no issues. But there are also some people that don't do both of these things incorrectly. So my thing is that if we are not eating meat, or if you are questioning us, the main thing is then you also stop all the things. Don't use leather belts. You also have a choice, just like earlier Divyansh said, that they can also use the plant waste. Then you also use it, we also use it. It is now not an argument of whether it's vegetarian or it's non-vegetarian. We are saying that we will follow all the practices, but you should also, see the vegetarian side also. That if we are doing all these things, are you willing to do all these things? If you are talking about morality, then it shouldn't be selective, it shouldn't be sentimental, or it shouldn't be selfish. If you are judging someone else's plate, you should also see your plate. That if you're in your area, if you're around, all the vegetarians are following all the practices, because I have personally seen many cows that are being subjected to cruelty, and I have seen also the slaughtered house. They are both in very bad conditions. It is not about who is eating what or who is consuming what. It's about how the system is working. If both the systems is working quite nicely, then we also don't have any problem. There is a thing called food chain. If you are saying that we are eating meat, or if we are eating the animal, that animal is also eventually gonna die. We are also eventually gonna die. So it is being, if we are not gonna eat someone else, if they are gonna die naturally, or if they are eaten by someone else. Now the other person can take it.
My point will start with the protein point. Like the other party said that protein is something that we can consume from the waste products. So according to the ICMR data, 84% of the Indians have lack the normal protein requirement. So why it is? It is simply basic because the soya does not fulfill your protein requirement properly. For example, the protein efficiency ratio is something that matters the most. And the soya has about 2.2 and egg has 3.2. So you can compare it, what's better. And talking about the B12, they are saying that B12 you can get from the plant waste also, but the data of the National Institute of the Health says that there are 2x chances of the B12 if you deficiency in the veggies. So what's better? You can decide what's the data. And talking of the iron. So they have talked that iron you can also iron we don't get from only we get from red meat and all that. But let me tell you the heme iron, the major iron source that is most famous. We get it from MF, we get it from poultry, fish, these factors, and they are, if I tell you, then they are absorbable by our body about 30 to 40%. And talking about the same about the other sources of iron, if we take a plant, then they are absorbed by the body only 2 to 10%. So what's the point if you are getting better? My closing line will be, nature does not need supplements, only incomplete diets do.
Bhaiya, can I give my closing argument? I just like to say it in the end that we don't hide behind labels. We eat with awareness and not arrogance. If eating meat makes me a sinner, let the entire food chain stand at trial. So let's stop this pretense that your paneer is pure and my protein is poison, because we are both standing at the same line.
May I give two arguments?
Excuse me, sir. I understand that I was not chosen, but I have a few arguments I think could be useful for other people.
But the debate is over now.
Yes, I understand. I do not want to be graded. I think I have some arguments that can be
आपका
useful
mic
for
बंद है।
people who might want to learn.
मुझे लग रहा है मैं इतनी देर से बोले जा रहा हूँ, तो बढ़िया है, ठीक है। तो अनंतिका मिलेगा मौका पूरा, वही सुनते ठीक है। तो दिव्यांश यार तुमने मुझे टोन मार दिया यार, मैं तो वेजिटेरियन हूँ, ठीक। तो
भैया मैं भी वेजिटेरियन ही हूँ।
भैया हमारी टीम में सब वेजिटेरियन है, most of them.
भैया I am also vegetarian.
भैया
Like some
जो
of them
नमन वाले
haven't
पॉइंट
even
थे,
touched the egg.
नहीं जो नमन वाले पॉइंट थे वो काउंटर हो चुके थे बायोफोर्टिफिकेशन से, और दिव्यांशी तो हमारी साइड पर आ गई, कंटिंजेंट है उसका। अगर हम कर लेंगे वो मान जाएगी, ठीक है, हम रेडी हैं।
नहीं सर, it's not about कर लेंगे, at what cost?
let me ठीक है। तो राउंड 3 स्टार्टिंग विद टीम वेज। कौन कौन था टीम वेज में जो अभी आया था?
मैं स्वानंदी,
तान्या, ठीक है। तो 2 people, content and logic 20 and 20 full, बढ़िया।
भैया can we repeat the same people or exchange?
अरे रुक जाओ भाई, ठीक। तो content and logic 20 on 20, delivery 10 on 10, rebuttal 20 on 20, ठीक है। decorum I will let you know after I complete the other part. So that makes it 50 यहाँ पर, and already they had 60, 110 हो गया स्कोर, ठीक। Now talking about team non-veg. For team non-veg, delivery 10, दोनों बढ़िया, rebuttal 20, दोनों बढ़िया, content logic 10. So score becomes 110
And
10. डेकोरम दोनों टीम ने मेंटेन करा है, यहाँ पर हुआ टाई। अब है एक और बोनस राउंड विच इज टाई ब्रेकर। ठीक है, एंड मैं बताता हूँ ये टीम के 10 नंबर क्यों काटे, मैं बता, ठीक है, इन ऑल टुगेदर। अब आपको मैं अब ये भी बता दूं कि अब आप टाई ब्रेकर में कैसे बात करोगे। सबसे पहला कि एंटायर राउंड 1 2 3 पीपल वर रेपिटेटिव इन बोथ द टीम्स। क्रोल्टी 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 पकड़ के बैठ गए तो क्रोल्टी ही बोले जा रहे हो भाई, कुछ और भी तो आर्गुमेंट बोलो सामने वाले को, ठीक है। तो रेपिटेशन आपको नेक्स्ट डिबेट से यू हैव टू टेक केयर दैट यू डू नॉट रिपीट स्टफ व्हिच इज ऑलरेडी सेड, ठीक है, मेक्स योर एंटायर टीम्स आर्गुमेंट वेरी वीक। क्लियर? क्या आपके पास बस एक ही पॉइंट है, उसी पे लटके हुए हो? क्लियर? देन सेकंड, अगर आप अटक रहे हो तो टेक अ डीप ब्रेथ, ठीक है, और बोलना चालू कर दो। ये नर्वस कॉन्शियस होने की जरूरत नहीं है जबरदस्त, ठीक है, हो भी रहे हो तो डोंट लेट इट कम ऑन योर फेस, ठीक। उसके बाद थर्ड, जार्गन्स, हेलो माय नेम इज दिस एंड टू द रिस्पेक्टेड ये वो भाई 2 मिनट ही है तुम्हारे पास, क्यों जबरदस्ती उसमें 10-10 सेकंड इसमें निपटाना है? कौन सी इंडिया गॉट टैलेंट की तुम्हारे कंटेस्टेंट नंबर भी बताना पड़ रहा है तुमको, कोई जरूरत है उसकी? You had 120 seconds. You wasted at least 20 seconds in these jargons. मिस्टर संकेत, मिस्टर चिराग, ये क्या जरूरत है ये सब बोलने की, जब यू हैव टू इंश्योर कि 120 में मुझे प्योर कंटेंट डिलीवर करना है। मेरा नाम ये, मेरा नाम वो, दिख तो रहा है सबको तुम्हारा नाम क्या है, आईडी पे लिखा तो हुआ है। टीम मेंबर खुद नाम लेके बोल रहा है कि इसको भेज रहा हूँ मैं, गुड इवनिंग, गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड नाइट, तो ये सब 120 सेकंड्स में ही बोलना है आपको। जब टाइम एलोकेशन है आपके पास ओनली 120 सेकंड्स, चूज योर वर्ड्स वाइजली, ठीक है। यहाँ पर कोई रूडनेस वाला मैंने नंबर का कॉलम रखा था कि मेरी टोन ऐसी लगेगी तो नंबर कट जाएंगे, कुछ रखा था मैंने? नो, ठीक है। तो फ्रॉम नेक्स्ट टाइम चूज योर वर्ड्स वाइजली बिकॉज यू हैव सेकंड्स जो कि उल्टे चलते जा रहे हैं एंड योर टाइम इज रनिंग फास्ट। आप हेलो हाय हाउ डू यू डू में निपटा दो अपने 20-25 सेकंड, तुम्हारी टीम का ही लॉस हो गया ऑल टुगेदर, ठीक। लास्ट पॉइंट जो कि बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट था, which was supporting your arguments by a strong research. स्वानंदी ने दी और तान्या ने भी फैक्चुअल चीजें से रिलेट करके प्रॉपर पॉइंट रिसर्च के लेके आए वो और बताया, ठीक है। नमन ने तो पहले राउंड से ही बताया, वो तो पहले भी बोल चुका था, इस राउंड में भी बताया। दिव्यांशी सपोर्टिंग पॉइंट नहीं लेके आई, वो बोल रही थी लेकिन कोई रिसर्च नहीं शो करी उसने, कहाँ से बोल रही हूँ, बोला बहुत अच्छा, शायद इन तीनों में से बहुत अच्छा बोला इसी ने, दिव्यांशी ने, बट क्या आपने कोई रिपोर्ट दी, कोई लिंक दी हमको? लिंक नहीं भी दी तो आपने बताया कि मैं ये क्यों बोल रही हूँ, व्हाट इज द रीजन बिहाइंड माय आर्गुमेंट। मैं भी बोल दूं आज को चिराग खत्री इज द प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया, क्या सबूत है मेरे पास? वकील हो तो सबूत, कानून क्या मांगता है? सबूत, ठीक है। अब यहाँ पर यहीं पर बस वो 10 नंबर कट गए। अगर तुमने एक लाइन भी, मैं तो वेट कर रहा था, इन दोनों ने जब बोला आप लोगों को लगा होगा सोनंदी ने बहुत अच्छा बोला, बिल्कुल अच्छा बोला, उसने फैक्चुअल चीजें बताई, अफगानिस्तान में सब इंडिया ही उठा के एग्जिस्ट करता है जो प्लेनेट पे, ठीक है। तान्या तो पूरा कच्चा चिट्ठा खोल के बैठी हुई थी कि तुम मौका दो तो मैं सुनाऊं, ठीक है। 2 चीजें ये हो गई, उनकी टीम ने पूरे तगड़े, वो तो उनको 50 मिले इसलिए उनके कहीं नंबर ही नहीं कटे, सब कुछ ही बता दिया। वेज ने वो उनकी पूरा सूखा उन्होंने निपटा दिया, खत्म कर दिया। अब बहुत अच्छे से टीम नॉन वेज वुड हैव वन, अगर एक लाइन भी कहीं साइड हो जाती दिव्यांशी, आपके 10 में से आपको 1 नंबर भी मिल जाता अगर उसमें, तो आप वैसे ही जीत रही थी, आप 111 हो जाते आपको, ठीक है। तो आपके वो 5 नंबर जो बोनस मिले थे वो कहीं ना कहीं यहाँ पे लास्ट राउंड में आके खत्म हो, ठीक है, वो टाई हो गया। अब एक टाई ब्रेकर है जिसमें 2 people फ्रॉम ईच साइड एंड they will have how much time ऑल टुगेदर रखते हैं इसको 15 मिनट्स नहीं 10 मिनट्स ऑफ टाइम। लास्ट राउंड दोनों साथ में बोलेंगे, दोनों काउंटर करेंगे, लड़ो झगड़ो जो करना है करो, लेकिन आपको बस सामने वाली पार्टी को चुप कराना है। द टीम हु रिमेन्स क्वाइट फॉर मोर देन 15 सेकेंड्स, डीआरएस का टाइमर पता ना कितना होता, 15 सेकेंड, 15 सेकेंड सामने वाली टीम चुप हो गई, आप जीत गए, आपका आज का डिबेट खत्म, ठीक है। क्लियर है? इंटरेस्ट टाई ब्रेकर, जिसको जो जो बोलना है सामने वाली, मैं बस बताऊंगा पहले कौन जाएगा, ठीक है। अब चुप भी कराओ, काटो भी बीच में, लेकिन रिस्पेक्टफुली आप कर सकते हो, ठीक है। अब इसमें 2-2 लोग तो लीड में जाएंगे ही, लेकिन जो बाकी बैठे हुए हैं उनकी टीम के वो भी सपोर्ट डाल सकते हैं, बीच बीच में टोक के। 2 लोग तो लीड वाले हैं कि हाँ ये तो बोलेंगे ही बोलेंगे, दीज 2 people विल बी द फेस। आपके पार्टी के कार्यकर्ता भी आ सकते हैं बीच में, जितने कोई भी अनम्यूट करके बोल सकता है, क्योंकि बहुत लोग भी बैठे हैं इतनी देर से कि हमने पार्टिसिपेट नहीं किया, हमारा नाम नहीं लिया हमारे लीडर ने, क्या हमें बहुत कुछ आता है, ठीक है, तो ये बोल सकते हैं, वो बिल्कुल सामने वाले को चुप करा सकते हैं। बस ऑफेंसिव नहीं होना है आपको, ठीक, सामने वाले की भी डिग्निटी है, वो भी बात ही करने आया है, वो तुम्हारी उधेड़ने नहीं आया है बिल्कुल भी कहीं कुछ कि इससे पर्सनल है मुझे कुछ, ठीक है, तो किसी से किसी की कुछ नहीं। क्लियर? नॉनवेज जीते वेज जीते मैं तो नहीं खाऊंगा, मुझे पता है, बट डिबेट कौन जीतता है आज वो पता लग जाएगा। तो दोनों टीम्स डिसाइड कर लें कौन 2 लोग आ रहे हैं, मैं यहाँ टाइम लगा रहा हूँ। नॉनवेज से कौन है?
भैया फर्स्ट आस्क वेज।
अरे तो
प्लीज
नाम तो बताओ। नाम कौन है?
संकेत
Yes.
and Ananya, I'm trusting you, please. Ananya.
Yeah, I will try my best.
शी इज आल्सो वेजिटेरियन। आज तो सबका धर्म भ्रष्ट करवा दिया आज सब। ठीक है भाई, मैं भी ज्यादातर टाइम तो नॉनवेज वाली टीम में ही बैठा था ब्रेकआउट रूम, तो मैं भी हूँ आपके साथ पंडित होके, ठीक है। तो वेज में से कौन आ रहा है?
सोनंदी एंड ईश्वी।
ठीक है, बाकी आपकी सब लोग बीच बीच में काउंटर दे सकते हैं जिसको जो लगे। सो अब स्टार्ट तो क्या ही करना है, जो भी लास्ट का राउंड वेज का ज्यादा अच्छा था तो वेज से चालू करते हैं, ठीक है। एंड ऑन द स्पॉट फिर जो वेज वाले बोल रहे हैं नॉन वेज वाले काउंटर भी कर सकते हैं, स्टार्ट ही लेनी है बस किसी को, तो वेज स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं। 3, 2, 1 गो, 10 minutes.
So, sir, they said that omnivorous. We are evolved as omnivorous people, but this is not the exact thing. So we can digest both meat and plant, but if we are able to do something, why? If we are able to do something, if we can, why not do? It's like it's more of a moral choice. If you are able to do something, if a person is standing in front of you, you can kill him, but it's not the necessity that you have to kill. And it's in the moral ground, it's not the right thing to do. And one more thing, somebody said that we are using medicine for our use, but we are not
एक
eating
मिनट,
human.
ये अनन्या तुम्हारे माइक में कुछ डिस्टर्बेंस है, इसको आ रही है, तो मैं जब बोल रहा हूँ तभी
So somebody said that medicines are important. We are eating medicines that are produced from the animal producers. But the fact is, we are eating meat as an indulgence. We are not eating it as necessity. If you are dying of any chronic disease and you are thinking that I would not eat any animal produce or somewhat like that. So it's like, why are you eating it? It is something that is necessity driven and not somewhat like indulgence. If you are doing it as I have seen that people are mostly addicted to non-veg. I have witnessed that myself, that people, once you start eating non-veg, you are almost addicted to it. It's not like you are eating as protein or somewhat like that. And one more argument that Prashant gave, there are some nutrients that non-veg lacks in. Veg lacks in, but non-veg has, and there are some nutrients that veg has but non-veg doesn't have. So there are magnesium and some more magnesium and calcium and iron and vitamin C. If you cook non-veg, then the iron and calcium and magnesium and vitamin C are already gone. So this is something from research, that if you overcook it, then all these nutrients are almost gone, and all that you are left with is protein, which is not as easy to kill. And that's it.
Sir, we said that we are just using non-veg, not veg. It's about balanced diet, inclusion of both.
And how can you
It's
say
all
that
about
the person who
inclusion
is
of
eating
both.
non-veg is immoral? No, you can't say that. It's personal choice. It's totally based on personal choice. If suppose if tiger is eating
That's a
and
long
deer,
debate.
so it's not you
Non-veg
can
being
you can't
immoral
hold
is a
the
long
mouth of the
Morality
tiger.
is subjective. Morality
So
depends on the
then you
person
just
who
stop
chooses
all,
to see it how it
then
is.
also stop
We
them.
choose
If
to
deer
decide
is
that
eating, deer is also
non-vegetarian is
omnivore.
tomorrow. That is our choice. Morality cannot be described by anybody.
See, if personal, if it's about personal choice, then if the personal choice causes suffering, then it's not personal. It's conveniently selfish.
Then is it selfish? Why are
The
you
one
using
who is
medicine?
eating
You have the necessity of a human being, but you're
Let
sacrificing
me
the
give you an
other
example of
human being
culture that
for your
everyone
well-being.
has been arguing
saying
over.
that from human evolution we were selfish, so we were hunting. No, that's not very correct. And
Yeah. See, from the Astrophil factor, we evolved to Homo sapiens. Then we have brain development.
And there's
Okay, so you are having now you why are you having
Yeah, we have evolved, and evolution gave us a better choice.
yes.
So, but if
okay, so
And
our
that has
evolution gave
become
us better
cognitive
choice, so
construct
we can
because
hold the
we eating
mouth
a
of
day. Remember
deer.
that.
Deer also eating also
Can we
deer
all
is also
agree on
omnivore.
one thing?
So we should also stop them to eating.
If everyone
So
decides to
how can
keep
the
quiet,
food
we can
chain
all
be
agree that Immanuel Kant decided to bring laws. He said laws to be made in such a way that even majority turns out to be minority in future, they do not feel oppressed. We as humans are
Who said
majority.
it?
we are not
Who said
oppressing.
it?
Immanuel
So
Kant,
if
search it
we
up.
are
It's a famous
considering that
philosopher.
it's we are
So
how
while
can
my
you say that we
politics,
are
like
oppressing? We are
while
not
I'm
it's
having
oppressing
not
them.
knowledge
about
philosophy,
philosophy here.
I have
We are talking about
You have
practical
also
things.
We are
argued that
not
Laws is the
talking
way
about
the
philosophy.
government
We are
works.
talking
is
about
immoral.
survival
Do you
here.
think
Yeah,
government is absolute right?
logic,
That killing a cow is
logic.
better than
Earlier,
taking
many
away
people
fur.
said that
Let me
we
give you
need.
another idea. Zojila, Baralacha, Mana Pass, Shipki Pass, Zelep Pass, Sela Tunnel. These all are transports. These all are routes to transport veg food to areas that did not have access to it before.
At what
If
cost?
Saudi
At what
Arabia
cost?
At
was
what
a
cost?
village
At what
as
cost?
isolated as it
What
was
cost?
decades ago,
At
At
what
it
what
is
cost?
allowed
cost?
to eat meat.
Okay,
Is
you are
Dubai,
saying
is
yes.
Saudi
Okay,
Arabia as isolated as it was before?
let me
Hummus,
tell you a very good
falafel,
example.
warek,
You have
What
inab,
imported
about
meat
poor
stuffed
countries?
especially
grapes,
from the milk,
kutosh,
from
What
an
about poor
animal
manakish,
milk,
countries in
and
shawarma.
you're
Africa?
switching
What
to
about
it.
poor
No,
countries
These
in
all
that
are
Africa
veg that
who don't
Afghanistan
have access
consumes.
to who don't have access
we
to
are not. The thing is
these
that are you
transports?
switching from a
They
milk to
are
an
following
animal
these.
milk? But you can't because there's a point where money is important too. You can't just say that we can switch this too. So if we can, then others can too. There's some money boundaries at a places. If
Chicken
there's a
is
place,
more expensive.
Cheaper.
Meat
we
is
are
more
not just
Chicken
expensive
is
than veg food.
expensive.
where
Here
it is
chicken
not
is
It
about
takes
just
money
chicken
to rear
and
it,
it is
then
meat
you
it
are
is
cut
more
it,
mutton.
then
about
Okay,
consume
but
it.
what about the
at
Look,
livelihoods?
70%
not
of our
solely based on
population is
chicken.
dependent on
Livelihoods can be
agriculture, and
changed.
you are
Government
saying
can
that
bring
we,
up schemes.
if
No
our
government
There are
population,
scheme directly
25
We are
lakh
affects
talking
one
plus
about a
generation.
people that
particular
are
It
places.
engaged
takes
in
We are
meat,
multiple
not talking
poultry,
about
fish
a
generations.
industry
If
generalized
the
that
place.
supports
father
What about
millions
the
of
of the
Indian
places?
family
livelihoods. You
What
can't
about
who
the
just take
butchers
their
places
for
who are
livelihood
at
livelihood
away
the
from
place?
them. You
cannot
can't just
change
take
Like
income
we
his
can
away
see
from
children
them.
can.
we can see China's example. What on what China survived when food shortage of grains happened there in Mao
That is because
Zedong's.
China did not take agriculture seriously. If they would have taken it seriously, there wouldn't
Why
have
they
been
didn't?
hunger happening
They
in China
didn't
as
took
India is right now
they
currently
did
suffering
why
with
they
hunger
didn't
as
First
well.
of
took
all, I want to say
agriculture
that when the
seriously?
argument is there,
Who
it's
who
not
saved
just
them?
limited to
Who
India
saved them? Who
or a
saved
place of the
China?
north.
Who saved China? Non-veg food items saved China.
It's
They
yeah.
But
what
they
Any
eat
proof
non-veg
there?
food
We have
items
And
saved
and
China today.
sea
What they are.
food at
this
the
India only. We are
sea
talking
food
about
at the
Also,
sea
global.
would
also
be
I
much
want to
cheaper
point.
than the
I
wheat
want to
there.
add. I want
It's
to add
about
my
the
point
place
on
we have
Let
to
me
supplements.
tell you about
consider.
the
If
tribes.
I want to
600
add
to
my point on
1200 people
supplement.
annually feel and are diagnosed with a food meat consumed diseases. That's not a small number.
Diseases, if you are talking about
Those are
diseases, you are
human
saying
lives you are
you
So that
overlooking
we
just
can
because
become
you
There's
are
physical
meat
there's
addicted.
side
agriculture,
even the side
with
effect of
Every
everything.
life stands on the
Even
agriculture,
top.
homeo
there
On
was
yeah, even the
impairment. So what's
medicine
the
you
Okay,
point?
eat
let me
does have
ask
a
you
side
guys a
effect on
question.
health.
Would you want to age faster? Would you want to age faster? Would you want to die faster? Eating meat
See, in
reduces
human
your
treatment,
lifespan.
human
Eating
treatment
meat
and
makes you age
We
faster.
don't are not
human
counting asking me,
Oh, we have
if
talked
almost
about
We have
personal
seen our
choices.
almost
You can
personal is being
so that's not the point.
कुछ सुनने लायक
What is
तो
not the
छोड़ो,
point?
किसी एक को तो
Research-
बोलने दो यार एक बार। ये बड़ा क्या क्या समझ में आएगा मुझे इसमें? मैं नहीं सुन पा रहा, बाकी क्या सुन पाएंगे? कोई एक तो बोलो।
मैं
एक
बोलूं?
बार में एक बोलो, जब कोई रिस्पेक्टफुली सुनना चाह रहा है तो सुनो, फिर ये डेकोरम के नंबर ही काट लूं मैं फिर। जो बोलना चाह रहा है
Yeah,
मैं बोलूं?
last time the
Since we were the veggie, we
non-vegetarian
had
gave
points.
point. The vegetarian gave point, right? About that thing. That would you want to live longer life or that thing? Age longer.
Yeah, see,
Yeah. So
eating
for this
meat
thing, I
makes
would
you
give
age
an
faster.
argument. Yeah. Okay. The thing is that it's a personal choice. If someone's age is being compromised at the taste, but at their comfort, they would still choose
Would you
to be
would
at
you
the.
want to
I
keep
have one
eating
more.
meat, or would you want to live longer with your parents?
If
See,
that depends.
I have a
What is priority?
I have a
Who is
very
Priority
saying
can
we
good.
should
vary
eat
from
to meat
people to
all day?
people.
We have balanced
If
diet
I want to
with
live
meat
a
included,
life,
So you want
I
to
can
die
eat
before
which
your
boosts our
parents
at
do?
the
health.
last day.
Should
I
I
would
do
choose
meat,
meat.
baby?
See, I have a reason. I have a reason
You
which
want
says
to
that
die
this
younger?
has
I will only
the people who eat. Listen me.
क्या बोल रहे हो?
Wait.
समझ नहीं आ
And
रहा.
people
If all the non-vegetarians could go one by one, that would be easier for me to understand.
Even Mahabharata
The
says
people
that
who
for
are
one there should be one.
I would like to have conversation with Antisha if it's possible for everyone to
Yeah.
off their
Wait,
mics.
first.
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay, so I have a research which says that people eating fish has 10% more longer life than the people eating veg. So what's that? It does not that does
Well,
not prove
can
that
you
non-veg has less
digest
life.
non-veg at the same rate as veg? It has more heat. Do you know what athletes
So
prefer when they want more power? It's potato over meat. While meat gives you
it's
more
about the
constant
world, not
protein,
about the
potato
athlete.
gives you the burst you need to survive.
It's
Yeah,
about
and
When
the
also
world,
in
athletes
not
human
about
who
What
have
digestion
a
about
system
very
has
potatoes?
high.
high protein
Potato
conscious
is
diet
inaccessible.
can go for potato, so can you. You don't have to run 100 miles.
So
You don't
You
have
tell
to
me.
run
I
200
can
miles.
ask
You are
that
not
if
You
to
tell
carry
everyone
me.
is
logs here
growing
and there.
potato,
You are
then
not a
You tell me
farmer.
what about
because
people who live
there
in
is
colder regions?
एक एक करके
क्या?
if people
People
eat
living in the
potato, you will be called
colder region also
tomorrow.
prefer one thing
I thought
that
I
is
was.
very common in them, that in summer season they eat more of the salads to look lean and to and to produce less heat. People in
Who?
America eat a generous amount of
Even
meat
tiger
in
eats
summer
grass.
season.
Who said tiger
So,
eats
so
grass?
it
It
means
does eat.
Occasionally.
Even jaguar eats. Even leopards eat. They do that too, as they have a lot of meat. Their stomach produces a lot of heat, so they eat
So they
that's
grass
eat
to
for a
calm
bad
it
meat
idea.
down.
also.
Yes,
That's
and
for a
They're
bad
saying
idea.
basically
they will
I
in
would
winter
like
also
plus
to add
they
an
don't have
argument.
problem with
non-veg
meat.
diet
It's
contribute significantly to
What's the logic
nutritional
of
diet.
it?
Animals
One
rely
person at a
primarily
time,
on
please.
meat, and dairy is responsible for
Yeah,
more
guys.
than 50% of
The thing is that the vegetarian side has given the argument. I would want the non-vegetarian to give. If none of them are going, then I will go. If anybody else want to, then they should. But as Ananya and Sanket were given priority at the first point, they were chosen to be, then I would wish them to go. Because they were the chosen
Who's coming?
representatives.
But at the first point, you were not only letting them go.
Because Ishwi started, no? Ishwi started. Then the
No,
argument was blown.
Ishi was starting. Ishi was the one who started.
No, she ended it. She ended after I went, no. Because
No,
sir
but
said
you
we
said
can
you,
put the points
you
here.
only
Yes,
said she
we
We
started.
put the
are
points.
running out of time that we can
Yeah.
use in discussion.
I would rather say Sanket or Ananya.
I would like to have
So my
conversation with Sanket.
so my
Yeah.
question was, what about those people who live in colder regions where they can't access agriculture
They can go for
food
alcohol. Russia has a lower age limit for alcohol. The idea is to not tell
But
people no
they
one is
can't
killed when
give the
alcohol is
alcohol
generated.
only. They have
and
to
even
eat.
Americans also only eat non-veg foods in winter season, not in the summer season. They can't, even
Let
they
me
are
ask
very
you
much.
I am
a
talking about
question.
colder
Is
region,
Dubai any
not
colder?
Dubai is not
Having
colder.
Let me
alcohol
ask you a
Dubai
question.
is not
does not
colder.
reduce your lifespan.
But
Having alcohol does not reduce your lifespan. You are before you are talking about that eating meat will shorten your life. What's about alcohol?
It relieves stress. It has medical backing with health, unlike
can
chicken
reduce your
skin.
lifespan. It can harm your liver, but eating non-veg food items don't harm your liver
You're
at all.
justifying a
People
product
just don't
which
They
is
can't.
How is
illegal.
not
They can't
non-veg
only
harm
It
your liver?
consume
provides
the
you it
alcohol. They
provides you
have
with
to eat
nutrients.
some
something.
people
I
don't
thought I was going to have a
And
conversation with
even fine
Sanket.
if
Let
Yeah.
me tell you that human
Guys,
digestive
let
system has
Sanket
a
and
long
later
track.
Alligator have the conversation because that's the argument going to be, no?
You don't need meat, you are emotionally attached to it. You're
There are so many people speaking. I really cannot understand what you are
Yeah, that's
speaking.
the thing. That's the thing.
For your question about Dubai, Dubai is situated in coastal region, but also they don't have access to that much agriculture as they are mostly or completely desert. It is Dubai now that they, just because of oil, they got money and they have that much supply
भाई
of
प्लीज
food
अब
and
प्लीज
they,
थोड़ा सा शांति से बोलना. हाँ, मेरा फोन डेड हो गया था. Please, one person at a time. My phone cannot handle it. I am fragile. I'm Gen Z. I cannot handle so many people at a time.
you cannot use your emotions in argument like that. Let me complete my sentence. Dubai, why Dubai? You chosen Dubai to argue, and I'm saying
Hummus, falafel, warak, enab, futosh, salad, manaki, shawarma, all are vegetarian foods that are consumed by Dubai. Rice is one of them. Dubai is a place where rice cannot be grown. It is still consumed.
Can you name the ingredients which used to make those food items?
Stuffed grapes are enab. Dates are used during Ramadan. So are used cashews, almonds, hummus, falafel, warak,
and only these dry fruits are enough to keep you alive.
I have mentioned many more dishes. Are we going to fight on ethical delicacy that whose dishes are tastier?
Name those ingredients.
Do I look like a chef to you?
The argument is going in a place where she is questioning the way the argument is put in. He never said that about the taste buds. He said that are they sufficient to provide you the proteins that a meat would?
No, they are not sufficient, but I would happily have to live with malnutrition meat who keeps alive other beings.
It's not about you. It's not
Let me
about you.
counter your protein point.
It's
Wait.
about survival.
Everyone, let me counter your protein
Would
point.
you kill your parents if you could have a healthier yourself?
My parents are not animal. My parents are human.
So animals don't have feelings, they don't feel fear. Is it so? Is it what you're implying? Animals, you become a ruthless killer.
Who is responsible to keeping mankind alive? It is animals or it is us humans who are needed to keep mankind
Animals were
alive?
responsible for mankind to be alive. They are not required right now. We learned agriculture for a purpose and we are using that purpose for betterment of ourselves.
That means you are
Not everything from past is meant to be continued. Outdated methods are meant to be left in
What
past.
about tradition? If you are saying,
You tell me.
We can change tradition, Dahej, Sati, and what more.
These are the traditions that came between your culture. They were not into your culture from start. They came in between.
You are comparing eating.
एक करके please.
You are comparing sati system and other evil norms with eating non-veg. Since when
Eating non-veg is killing a person, sati is burning a person. I see no difference.
Person is an animal.
Who is killing a person?
How can you? Okay.
We are not providing cannibalism.
Don't raise voice. We are also from Haryana. We can also raise our voice.
Humans and animals.
Either Ankusha speaks or Sankeet speaks. Please.
Please maintain depend.
Are you not even
By the way, I would like to have a conversation with Sankeet if it's possible.
Please, all the ladies and gentlemen, maintain.
Thank you so much for understanding.
Humans and animals both are completely different species.
Animals do not feel pain, is it so? Animals don't have family, is it so? Animals don't give birth, is it so? Animals don't breed, is it so? Animals don't live in pack, is it so?
For survival, for your own survival, whose life is more important?
My life is more important if I'm stuck on island where there's no vegetation. Not while I have vegetarian options available right next to me, while my mother cooks a wheat chapati.
I am talking about those people who can't access, like in many African regions which are very poor. How can they afford vegetarian diet? How can they afford vegetarian
Meat is
diet?
more expensive than wheat? Are you implying that? Are you implying the wrong part? That meat is more expensive?
The wheat and other grains are more expensive than meat.
And in many African regions,
So how does expensiveness come
they
in?
hunt for their survival and not depend on money and all. Many African tribes.
Well, as I said, if Africa has no vegetation, they are allowed to kill and eat meat. But people who have access to vegetation should go vegetarian. Africa is not completely relied on meat. It has also vegetation and it can go for it. We can transport and export, they can import. It's as easy as that.
Then what do you say about the countries like Korea and Japan? they are
If
mostly
everyone
depend
will
on
think
meat.
that how food chain will go.
They are
Then we
dependent
will
on
say,
meat, but they do not die if they consume. If they don't consume meat, they won't die.
okay,
Think
so
of it.
let me
Then
please tell me
then
how if
why they are
everyone is doing
continuing?
wrong, if all the elements are wrong,
That's
so why
stupid
tiger is
delicacy.
eating deer?
It's
So it's like
tastier. As you said, we are hypocrites. We talk about cruelty. Aren't you hypocrites eating meat under the blanket of saying it's protein?
no, we are
Then
not saying it's protein. If there is
we
necessity,
are
you
not.
have to eat meat. And if you are not, if suppose you are vegetarian and if you
You can
haven't
also take
take
veggies
meat
boiled.
anywhere, so how will you take in in the situation where you have to eat it? So having
That
having
is
meat
when
is
there's a
just
rare
one thing
situation
that is
where human
available.
life becomes apex priority. Not when I have access to vegetarian
Why
food.
prior?
Not when I have
So
access to wheat. I don't plan to kill any other human being when he can live.
Who is
In
telling you
what
to kill other human being? Who is
Yeah,
telling you
had
to
you heard
kill
of
other
Dudley
human
versus
being?
Stephen?
How can
Have
you
you heard of Dudley versus
how
Stephen?
can you how can you put a
Wait, wait,
human and an
wait,
animal on same weight? How can you
Have
compare
you heard
both?
of the case of Dudley versus Stephen, where the Queen files a charge on case of 3 people who end up eating one man to survive
Sanket,
themselves in ocean?
Sanket, you
In
know the
necessity, cannibalism is also justified.
okay,
Are
Sanket,
you
you
in
know
necessity to eat
the
meat?
vulture in the frame. Please listen my point to all the my sweet ladies and gentlemen. Just I will take you 1 minute. Please, be silent.
Okay, continue, Chirag.
Okay, Sanket, Sanket, and all the ladies and gentlemen. Uh, in your life
First
on
of all,
social
tell me
media,
why you have so much obsession with me.
I don't have because you are my pookie. Okay, so you all seen in social media the vulture and the frame what Sanket told recently that in African people they didn't get food, so they eat non-veg food. But my ladies and gentlemen, in reality, the African people didn't get anything to eat. So the photographer name, I don't know the photographer name, but his famous photo, the vulture and the frame, where the boy is helping pray to the god and the eagle is just behind him to eat them. So it is a
It was
basic
eagle. It was vulture and not eagle. First of all, and
vulture.
and
Vulture.
what and I am saying those countries are poor. I
Yeah,
also
yes,
tell
yes, those
I
countries are
also
pure. They didn't get anything to eat because they didn't get anything. The Africa is
they
full of.
are they are still surviving on non-veg food items like
Yeah,
They
eating
I
can
was
their
going
switch.
to
eating
say
their
World
that
has
eating their
changed. The
they
world has
eating
built
their
ties. It is
animals
no longer
eating their
unilateral.
animals.
Please
They
listen.
are
but that's
poor.
personal
They
choice.
are
Sanket,
poor
If you
Sanket,
love
and
meat,
and
so how
actually
can you?
खत्म करते हैं. आपको 10 मिनट दिए गए थे, आपने 20 मिनट आर्ग्यूमेंट करी है. मैंने भी बोलने दिया क्योंकि सबको ही मजा आ रहा था और मुझे लगा कभी तो कोई चुप होगा, कभी तो कोई चुप होगा. एंड जैसा कि हमने टॉपिक ही इतना कंट्रोवर्शियल उठाया था, इसमें कभी कोई चुप ही नहीं होता है. ये यूनिवर्सल फैक्ट है. ठीक है, मैं खुद जितने आर्ग्यूमेंट्स, जितने चीजें बोल बोल के थक चुका हूँ. ये इस टॉपिक का कभी कोई कंक्लूजन नहीं है. मुझे पता था कोई नहीं जीतेगा इसमें, कोई टीम जीत ही नहीं सकती. ठीक है, तो बट बात ये है कि स्वानंदी ने वन साइडेड कर दिया था वेज, तो काफी बढ़िया बोला एंड वो तो सबको ही दिखा. चलो ठीक, बट जो सबने बिल्कुल अपना आज कॉन्फिडेंस दिखाया है, तो यू ऑल डिजर्व एन अपलॉज. प्लीज अनम्यूट योरसेल्व्स एंड क्लैप फॉर योरसेल्व्स. ओके, तो अब मैं बात करता हूँ जरा कि फाइनली कौन सी चीज किसके लिए अच्छी है. मैं बताता हूँ आंसर. ठीक है, आप नॉन वेज और वेज पे लड़े, मैं बताता हूँ. सबसे पहली चीज, प्राइमल इंपॉर्टेंस, माय चॉइस, मेरी मर्जी. आज मरना है, कल मरना है, हेल्थ है, ये है, वो है, मेरी मर्जी. सिंपल. इफ आई एम ईटिंग वेज, इट्स माय चॉइस, नॉट जस्ट बिकॉज कि हाँ ब्राह्मण है और हिंदू है और ये है और वो है. ठीक है, आई हैव सीन थाउजेंड्स ऑफ ब्राह्मण्स ईटिंग नॉन वेज in Odisha or in West Bengal or in South India. ठीक है, it is not about के ऐसा है वैसा है. Clear? in कोलकाता स्पेसिफिकली बलि चढ़ाई जाती है काली माता को. ठीक है, ये नॉन वेज है. बलि किसकी चढ़ाओगे? क्या तुम केले की बलि चढ़ाओगे? नहीं. ठीक है, तो इट इज डेफिनेटली नॉट अ रिलीजियस एंगल. वो बात वहां खत्म हो जाती है. ठीक है, ये चीज हो गई। एंड उसके बाद लेट्स डाइव इनटू longevity, who lives longer. There are different reports, but majority of the researchers suggest people eating vegetarian food live longer. ठीक, तो vegetarians live longer. Who has the maximum strength? People eating non-vegetarian food have maximum strength. ठीक, why? क्योंकि डायरेक्ट एनिमल फैट जा रहा है आपकी बॉडी, एनिमल की स्ट्रेंथ आपकी स्ट्रेंथ बन रही है एक तरीके से। ठीक है, तो the weightlifters or the people who require strength in their daily lives, they eat non-vegetarian food. Now if you talk about stamina, athletes specifically, every athlete is a vegetarian, 99%, because stamina boosters are not non-vegetarian food, they are vegetarian diet, or even at sometimes they are vegan diets. ठीक, तो स्टेमिना के लिए वेजिटेरियन इज रिकमेंडेड एंड इज वेरी गुड। एंड वो जो मैं बता रहा हूँ चीजें, देयर इज अ स्टार्क डिफरेंस, जमीन आसमान वाला। 19-20 का फर्क नहीं है इन दोनों के बीच में, 19 लाख का फर्क है। ठीक, तो ऐसा डिफरेंस है इन दोनों, क्लियर। एंड उसके बाद इफ यू टॉक अबाउट के कॉग्निटिव बैंडविड्थ, इंटेलिजेंट थोड़े ज्यादा कौन होते हैं, तो those are the people who eat non-vegetarian food. Facts have suggested, because their brain function differently because of the animal का दिमाग inside them. ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं, but रिसर्च जो है मैं वो बता रहा हूँ, क्योंकि डिबेट आपने करी, मुझे पता था you won't have any conclusion, but मेरे पास जो, मुझे भी ये पता था कि आपका कोई नतीजा नहीं निकलेगा, तो लास्ट में मुझे बताना तो है। ठीक, तो आपसे ज्यादा रिसर्च मैंने करी। ठीक, मैं सामने रखा हुआ है जो है चीजें, आई लर्नड माई सेल्फ, आई रिसर्च माई सेल्फ, आई गॉट दीज 2-3 पॉइंट्स। एंड उसके बाद ओवरऑल व्हाट इज बेटर फॉर योर लाइफ, योर चॉइस। ठीक है, यू आर अ वेजिटेरियन, गुड फॉर यू, यू आर अ नॉन वेजिटेरियन, गुड फॉर यू। नहीं जीना 4-5 साल एक्स्ट्रा, कोई बात नहीं, हम जी लेंगे। ठीक है, तो इट इज टोटली योर कॉल। आपका रिलीजन कुछ बोले, आपके पापा कुछ बोले, आपका खानदान कुछ बोले, आप अल्टीमेटली क्या है, इट इज योर चॉइस। ठीक, तो वो नेहा धूपिया वाला देखा होगा ना, थर्ड चॉइस, तो इट इज हिज एंड हर चॉइस टोटली, के व्हाट यू हैव टू स्टे ऑन। नाउ इफ यू टॉक अबाउट के व्हाट आर यू कंज्यूमिंग राइट नाउ, तो दैट इज टोटली डिपेंडेंट कि आप पैदा किस जगह हुए, किस फैमिली में हुए और वो क्या खाती है। ठीक है, मेरे मम्मी पापा अगर नॉन वेजिटेरियन ईटर होते तो शायद मैं बाद में शायद कुछ रिसर्च करके कुछ डिसाइड करता कि क्या पता मुझे वेज खाना है या नॉन वेज खाना। ठीक, द पीपल हु लव बटर चिकन, उनके घर में बनता आ रहा है, उन्होंने बचपन से शायद वो खाया है। कोई बहुत रेयर केस है कि बाद में पीपल हैव स्विच टू नॉन वेज या फिर वेज। ठीक है, रेयर केस है, लेकिन है उसमें भी अच्छे खासे नंबर्स। ठीक, नाउ इट इज डायरेक्टली डिपेंडेंट ऑन वेयर यू आर बोर्न, region and the family. Example, if you are born near the north and central part of India, you might be 7 out of 10%, या फिर on a scale of 10, 7 out of 10 आप वेजिटेरियन हो अगर आप सेंट्रल या नॉर्दर्न पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया से आते हो तो। ठीक है, आप कोस्टल रीजन्स में हो तो आपका सर्वाइवल वहां से हो रहा था, बिकॉज ऑफ द फिश, बिकॉज ऑफ द मीट, and you need that stamina क्योंकि that particular area causes a lot of humidity. To counter the humidity, you need that extra bunch of energy inside you. ठीक है, and it is very widely proven. प्रोटीन की बात सुनी जो मैंने, दाल से कुछ नहीं आ पाता जितना एक अंडे से या नॉनवेज से आ जाएगा। 1% भी नहीं आ पाता है दाल से। भर भर के कटोरा दाल खा लो, प्रोटीन तुम्हारा एक अंडे से आ जाएगा उससे ज्यादा। ठीक है, बट अब डिपेंड करता है आपको चाहिए नहीं चाहिए, प्रोटीन आपके ऊपर है ना। आप बॉडी बिल्डिंग कर रहे हो, इफ यू वांट फास्टर रिजल्ट्स, आपको कोई कंपटीशन है, आप बिल्कुल मिस्टर पूर्वांचल बनना चाह रहे हो, तो यू नीड टू स्किप टू समथिंग व्हिच यू माइट हैव नॉट लाइक्ड अर्लियर। ठीक, बट इफ यू, मुझे कौन सी बॉडी बिल्डिंग करनी है, मेरा प्रोटीन इंटेक अगर धीरे धीरे भी पूरा हो रहा है, आई एम हैप्पी विद ईटिंग दाल, सोयाबीन खा लूंगा, दाल खा लूंगा, पनीर खा लूंगा, मुझे कोई दिक्कत नहीं, मेरी चॉइस है। ठीक है, आई डू नॉट वांट फास्टर रिजल्ट्स, नहीं चाहिए मुझे, क्लियर, मैं लंबा जी लूंगा इसके बदले, कोई दिक्कत नहीं मुझे, ठीक, मैं सेटिस्फाइड हूँ वेज खा के, मुझे किसी की जान नहीं लेनी पर्सनली मेरे खाने की प्लेट में आने के लिए, दैट इज माई आर्गुमेंट, सिंपल वन लाइनर। मेरी आर्गुमेंट क्या है, मेरी चॉइस क्यों बनी, बिकॉज मुझे किसी को मार के अपनी प्लेट पर सजा के नहीं खाना, खत्म। अब मैं धर्म वगैरह से पूरा घुमा फिरा के, ये 5 साल ऑफ लॉ स्कूल जो आपने आज कराया ना, ये 5 साल हमने कराया, तो आपको एसेंस ऑफ लॉ स्कूल मिल गया, यहाँ पर आपको भी पता लग गया कि इस पे कभी डिबेट होगी तो कोई जीतेगा नहीं, तुम तो जीतोगे नहीं, सामने वाला भी नहीं जीतेगा, उसको भी नहीं जीतने दोगे, ठीक है। तो मैंने बहुत करी, फर्स्ट ईयर, सेकेंड ईयर, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ, आफ्टर ग्रेजुएशन, कितनी आर्ग्यूमेंट दूं सामने वाले को, घुमा फिरा के मेरा भी यही कंक्लूजन है कि मेरी क्या पर्सनल बिलीफ है कि आई विल नॉट किल समवन फॉर माय टेस्ट बड्स, सिंपल आर्ग्यूमेंट, मेरा चॉइस, मैं पंडित हूँ, मैं पूजा करता हूँ, ये करता हूँ, वो करता हूँ, सब सेकेंडरी बन गया मेरे लाइफ में आफ्टर आई एंटर्ड लॉ स्कूल। पहले तो मैं यही समझता था व्हेन आई वाज इन स्कूल कि मैं शायद ब्राह्मण हूँ, मैं इसलिए नहीं खाता, मैंने अपने आप से भी यही बोल के रखा था, पर जब मैंने देखा कि यार ये ब्राह्मण होने से कुछ नहीं होता है, वो तो सब खा रहे हैं, सब जगह सब चल रहा है, अल्टीमेटली वो घुमा फिरा के ये सारी आर्गुमेंट ने मुझे फिर अल्टीमेटली बोल दिया कि इट्स योर चॉइस, घुमा फिरा के हम आ वही रहे हैं, घूम फिर के। आपकी चॉइस क्यों बनी वो मैंने बताया क्यों बनी, बिकॉज आई डू नॉट वांट टू किल एनीवन फॉर माय टेस्ट बड्स, क्लियर, सिंपल। अब ये कोई मुस्लिम बोले डू नॉट वांट टू किल एनीवन फॉर देयर टेस्ट बड्स, हाँ भाई बढ़िया कर लो वेजिटेरियन। कोई क्रिश्चियन बोले आई डू नॉट वांट टू किल एनीवन फॉर माय, हाँ ठीक है तुम भी वेजिटेरियन, क्या एक्सेप्शंस नहीं होते, हर रिलीजन में, हर कास्ट में, हर रीजन में होते, पीपल आर वेजिटेरियन, जिनकी प्राइमरी डाइट नॉन वेजिटेरियन थी वो सब वेजिटेरियन बन चुके हैं बहुत जगह, ठीक है। तो इट इज अगेन व्हाट योर वैल्यूज अलाइन टू, आपने खुद को क्या सिखाया है, आप दुनिया से क्या बोल रहे हो, खुद क्या बिलीव करके सो रहे हो, ठीक है। इफ यू आर हैप्पी किलिंग समवन्स मदर और फादर फॉर योर रात का डिनर, प्लीज गो फॉर इट, ठीक। आई कांट स्लीप पीसफुली पर्सनली आफ्टर डूइंग दैट, अगर मैं ऐसा करूं तो मेरी मर्जी, क्लियर है।